Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson will be refreshed as previewed by the European model that was revealed. While the exterior alterations aren't immediately noticeable, the Tucson's interior benefits from a redesigned dashboard. Along with dual 12.3-inch screens and a parcel shelf, the compact SF gains a bevy of physical buttons that replace the irksome touch controls. If you like the video, you can subscribe to the channel right now and join the Kerners family. Guys, liking our videos and subscribing will be great motivation and support for us. If you want to know everything about the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, watch this video until the end, because in this video we have mentioned the new Hyundai Tucson, including its release date, price, trim level, features, and more. The goal of the all-new Tucson is to become one of the best-selling models in the USA. Hyundai is on the good way since not too long time ago. It wasn't considered as a leader in the automotive world. The crossover is going into a new generation, and reliability is one of the keys to success. The third generation made a breakthrough with design and performance, and the next one kept the vehicle on the same level. Now it is time to become even better. The current generation Hyundai Tucson has a fashionable appearance that, dare we say, even mimics the exotic Lamborghini Urus. Whether anyone else can see the resemblance is neither nor there. However, what we have here is our first look at the refreshed 2025 Tucson that's set to go on sale in Europe. Early next year, we expect the US version to follow sometime later, before which we'll likely know more about its powertrains and pricing. To make the Tucson look wider, Hyundai says it stretched the bumpers and Feu skid plates on the front and back. There's also a new grille design with familiar integrated daytime running lights that look sleeker than before. Of course, a mid-cycle update wouldn't be complete without new wheel designs. And the 25 Tucson has those too. There's no mention of what powertrains will be offered on the Europe-bound Tucson and the US. Version could be different anyways. As it stands, the lineup includes a standard 187 HP 2.5-liter four-cylinder that pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission in front, or all-wheel drive. There's also a hybrid and plug-in hybrid Tucson that make 226 and 261 horses respectively. Hyundai also looks to address one of our gripes with the current Tucson, which we've said is overly reliant on touch-sensitive controls. Apparently, we're not the only ones who felt that way, as physical buttons are back on the updated models. In fact, the entire dash design is different, and there's a new center console that offers a wireless charging pad and what appears to be more front cubby space. Facing the front passengers are two 12.3-inch displays akin to those found inside other Hyundai models. To their right is a new parcel shelf for resting small items, and below, all of that is an attractive element that spans the width of the dash and hides the Hobbs fence. Controlling the climate system is some of the aforementioned buttons, but now there's also a volume and tuning knob for the stereo to go along with switchgear on the front edge of the center mounted armrest. There's a new steering wheel too, and the push button shifter has been relocated to a stock on the steering column. As we said earlier, pricing and other US specific information hasn't yet been released. If we had to guess, based on the 2024 Hyundai Tucson that's currently on sale, a successor will start at around $29 for the non-hybrid variant, with the hybrid and plug-in hybrid starting around $34 and $40 respectively. If we talk about the next release date of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, then we will tell you that the exact release date has not been set. But according to some reports, we can expect the next Hyundai Tucson to go on sale in mid-2024. And if that happens, you will be able to book your bookings for it by the end of 2024. And when Hyundai Motors announces the release date, we will report it to you. Guys, we hope this video will be useful for you. If so, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or dislike.